Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to do software update of your Roku TV. So a lot of people face this issue that either they're not able to update the software or they might face any kind of issues. So I'll tell you how you can solve this issue and do the update. So the first thing is, this is just a basic process of how you can just update your streaming device. Like, just press home button on your remote, select settings and systems and software update. Like, you'll be able to see software updates, check now, and if there is any update you'll be able to download it and install it automatically. And let's say like this method is not working for you, so what you can do is just do the update by USB. So you must have a USB plus a stable internet connection, and once you do that, just go to like this website tvupdate.roku.com, and from here you'll be able to see like this kind of option, choose your TV brand. So make sure to choose your TV brand. Like this is, let's say this is the TCL brand, so make sure to choose this brand and the hardware ID. Click on next, and once you click on next, like you will be given the software. So just make sure to download the software, put it in the USB drive, and once you put it in the USB drive, you just need to make sure to plug in the USB into the Roku TV and go to the settings, system update, and from that option you just select this option, I can't connect. And once you select this option, I can't connect, you will be able to see an option called USB, like through an external device, which is USB in your case. So make sure to select USB, and after that it will start installing automatically, and hopefully your problem will be solved. So these are two basic solutions for your updating software of how you can do it, and make sure that you have a stable and good internet connection, and after that you'll be able to do it.